Compression springs. Types, applications, and advantages. This video will take an in-depth look at compression springs. The video will look at topics such as principle of compression springs, manufacturing processes and materials used to make compression springs, types of compression springs, applications and advantages of compression springs, common problems in compression springs, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principle of compression springs. Introduction to compression springs. Design and functionality of compression springs. Key considerations when selecting compression springs. Types of compression spring ends. Characteristics of closed ends. Features of ground ends. Benefits of double closed ends. Details on open end. Material concerns for compression springs. Physical aspects of compression springs. Outer diameter, OD. Inner diameter, ID. Free length. Solid height. Spring pitch. Active coils. Total coils. Analyzing compression spring loads. Exploring compression spring wire diameters. Varieties of compression spring wire. High carbon spring wire. Alloy steel wire. Stainless steel wire. Non-ferrous alloy wire. Compression spring wire diameters. Chapter 2. What are the manufacturing processes and materials used to make compression springs? Compression springs manufacturing processes. The most common manufacturing processes include coiling, stress relieving, finishing. Key finishing steps include grinding, strength peening, setting, coating, packaging, materials used to make compression springs. Each type of spring wire offers different performance characteristics. Stainless steel, music wire, hard-drawn steel wire, characteristics of compression spring material: cold-drawn, hard-drawn wire, oil-tempered spring steel, chrome vanadium, chrome silicon, music wire, stainless steel alloys, brass and phosphor bronze. Chapter 3. What are the types of compression springs? The main types of compression springs include convex compression springs, conical compression springs, disc springs, or Belleville springs. Here are some advantages of using Belleville springs. Concave springs. Straight coil compression springs. Volute springs. Variable pitch spring. Magazine springs. Torsional springs. Tapered compression springs. Chapter 4. What are the applications and advantages of compression springs? Applications of compression springs. Automobiles. Door locks. Pens. Aeronautics. Firearms. Medical devices. Advantages of compression springs. Preventing another component's movement. Putting a component back in the right position. Applying continuous pressure. Lightweight. Affordable. Maintenance-free. Disadvantages of compression springs. The drawbacks of compression springs are as follows. Chapter 5. What are common problems in compression springs? Surging in springs. The following methods can be employed to prevent spring surge. Buckling in springs. To prevent buckling, consider the following measures. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right compression spring manufacturers for your needs.